All right, everyone, welcome back. A quick look at Engine. So it's been a while since we looked at Engine Coin here on the channel. You can see the price is holding support at the 200-day moving average at 29 cents or at 29.20. We do have a fat red candle spawning in right now, but ultimately you want to stay above the 200-day EMA to hold that support. So from this fib on the chart, from the high to the low, you came all the way up to your 1618, got rejected at 33. So we're going to draw another one here really quick to see the support level. So if we go from the low here to that high, you can see that the price already came down all the way off of this wick here to your 618 retracement and moved back up above that 200-day EMA. So that is extremely bullish in my opinion. This thing fought really hard to hold that uptrend title here. So I would say simply watch. We're going to draw a box here since we have our 200-day EMA and then we have that 382 right below it at about 28.5. We're going to draw a green support box here, and this is your must hold price, or you're going to get a much deeper retracement on Engine here. If you can hold this box here, you're still extremely bullish for either going sideways or getting a nice bounce and going up and trying to break this 3-3 level here. So that is your price to watch here. Like I said, already from the low to the high, you already got that 618 retracement for a nice bounce, so that is bullish. And the fact that you're over the 200, over the 382 is bullish, that you're holding that as support. So I would just watch the support here. If it holds, you're probably going sideways and up. And before we end this on Engine here, you can see that if we switch out to the weekly chart, there's one thing I want to point out before we end this. We'll go ahead and leave that on the chart in case I update it once again. But simply going here on the weekly chart and going from this little high here to the low. Well, first off, from the first low here, from the high to this low, you smacked right into the 382, and then you came right back down here, the 382 at 32. And then if we just simply adjust this to the new low, from the high to the low, once again, smacking right into that 382 at 30. So just wanted to point that out on the macro scale. It seems to always hit that 382 and then come crashing right back down. So that's where you are right now on this thing. So with that macro information, you can go back here to the daily chart, and if you take out this green support box, then on that macro scale, that 382 is holding as resistance, and then you're probably coming down to these deeper retracement levels, potentially even where you came from or even lower, as it likes to do on these larger time frames. Once it gets a nice spike to the upside, it just makes a new low, as you can see there. Spike to the upside, eventually a new low. So if it's going to repeat history, that's what you got to look forward to. So just keep it simple. Watch those support levels on the daily chart. We'll leave it at that. This one's getting too long. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice. And we will see you in the next one. Peace out.